How to post long image on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can post long image on Instagram. So now let's begin. So the first thing you will want to do is just go to your Safari or web browser and search for square image. After you search for it, tap on your square image, and this is the site that we'll be using. So scroll down and there you'll see choose an image option. Choose an image and you can just take a picture too. What I did was I took a picture, and after some time it gave me this result. So here what happened is it just added border to your picture, and now it's square but it's still long. So what this does is this will allow you to post a long image on Instagram. So now tap on download and just download this image. After you do so, go to your Instagram, and after you're on Instagram, just hit on post. You can select the image and go to next, and then just post this picture. So after you do so, you will have posted your picture, and that is basically all that. So that is how you post long image on Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all.